In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to time track in Notion using the 3 best methods. If you're looking to get organized and manage your time more effectively, this guide is perfect for you. Notion, as many of you may know, is a versatile workspace where you can manage everything from your daily to-dos to major projects. But did you know that it's also incredibly powerful for time tracking? Let's dive into the first method. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace, where all your wikis, documents, and projects are organized. This is your hub, and being familiar with this space will help ease the setup process. Next, it's time to log in to your account. Simply click on the Login button, usually located at the top right of the homepage. Once you've logged in, you're brought to Notion Home. This is where all your workspaces are housed, and from here, you can conveniently access all your pages and templates. At this point, we're going to utilize Notion's powerful template feature. You'll want to click on Templates, which will open a world of pre-designed pages and formats specifically crafted to help organize different aspects of your life, including time tracking. Now, in the template search bar, type Time Tracker. Notion offers a variety of templates designed specifically for time management. These templates are easy to customize and include formats like calendars or tables where you can log your hours. Browse through the options and find a time tracker template that resonates with your style of working. Once you've made your selection, simply click on it to view the details. Now that we've chosen a template, the next step is to incorporate it into your workspace. Click on the Add button. This action imports the template into your Notion setup, allowing you to start personalizing and using it immediately. It's a seamless process that takes just a few seconds. The final step is to edit the template to suit your unique needs. This is where you can customize categories, add specific time slots, or adjust any fields to match your personal or professional requirements. Whether you color-code your tasks or include sections for notes, make sure it's tailored to fit your workflow. And there you have it, a personalized time tracker in your Notion workspace. By following these steps, you can bring more structure to your day, ensuring you're using your time efficiently while staying on top of all your responsibilities. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects or a student managing classwork and assignments, Notion's time tracking templates can be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!